Welcome to a new shopping reward system. Reget. Gain again. What is Reget? For shopkeepers, Reget is a sales improvement plan to increase retail sales. For consumers, Reget is a zero expenditure plan or an expense recycle system. Roles in Reget. The two main roles in Reget are shopkeepers and consumers. Role of shopkeeper. First, the shopkeeper has to register with Reget shopping system. Next, the shopkeeper has to buy Reget gift coupons from an authorized Reget agent. Now, the shopkeeper gives Reget coupons to his customers according to their purchase value. Now, let us see the benefits to the shopkeeper through Reget. Reget helps the shopkeeper to retain his existing customers. Shopkeeper gets enormous word-of-mouth advertisements through his own customers, through which many new customers come to the shop. In this way, Reget doubles the number of customers in every 6 months in a systematic manner. In this never heard of plan, the shopkeeper also receives incentives for buying gift coupons. Coming to the role of customers, first, the customer has to choose Reget shops for shopping. Next, the customer has to ask for Reget gift points at the bill counter. Now, the customer has to SMS the serial number and PIN number printed on the gift coupon as instructed. Thereby, customer receives enormous incentives in the form of cash, gift vouchers, gold coins and gifts. Zero cash point. Over a period of time, all your monthly expenditure will become zero because Reget is an expense recycle system. It converts all your expenditure to zero. Now, you have another source of income from your own expenditures. Reget gives you additional income apart from your regular income. The only thing you have to do is to make all your shopping at Reget stores. When the customers SMS the coupon serial and PIN numbers, their points get stored in a queue one after one. Reget's collective incentive fund is called Joint Incentive Cloud, in short JIC. We all know cloud forms by collecting water from all water bodies like oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, wells and many more. Reget's incentive cloud JIC works the same way. JIC gets formed from the sale of gift coupons to all the tied up stores. Now we are going to see the Reget incentive distribution process. Incentive fund from the JIC is distributed to the points in the queue on priority basis. The incentive status will be updated by SMS and also on Reget's official website www.regetworld.com. The customers can also view the points received from various stores in regetworld.com. For investors, potential income from this business. Reget invites investors to invest in this lucrative business. Reget business offers immeasurable income for investors. Reget gets vast income through the sale of gift coupons to thousands of stores. The company retains over 15% on the sale of Reget coupons. On an average, every shop buys Reget coupons for Rs 5,000 every month. How much Reget can earn per month is shown below. From one shop, the company earns 750 rupees per month. So, for an area with 50 shops, the company's income is 37,500 rupees per month. For one district with 50 areas, it is rupees 18 lakhs 75,000. For one state with 10 districts, it is rupees 1 crore 87 lakhs 50,000 per month. For one country with 10 states, it's more than rupees 18 crores. If it is launched in multiple countries, company's earnings per month will be in billions. Reget sales structure. Reget sales structure has 4 layers: zonal distributors at the state level, regional distributors at the district level, dealers at the area level, and agents to support dealers in field marketing. Reget's sales commission structure. Reget offers good income to all the stakeholders: 10% for dealers, 5% for regional distributors, 2.5% for zonal distributors, 0.25% individually for business facilitators who tie up zonal and regional distributors. Strategic advantages. Reget has an online shopping cart, Transpace.in. Customers from anywhere around the world can buy products through credit cards, online banking, and various other modes. Copyright applied for. Gain again.